Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you an open collaboration. This collaboration is being hosted by none other than Tangie Webb over at All Things Home Decor and More with Tangie Webb, where she is on a mission to help you to elevate your home, elevate your style, elevate your aesthetics, one video at a time. So if that seems like something that you are interested in checking out, please click down on her link down below after you watch this entire video, as well as the playlist. And this is Decorating with Love, hosted by Tangie Webb. And please watch everyone's video into its entirety. Thumbs up the video, share the video, and if you are not yet subscribed to any of these beautiful creators, please consider subscribing. And with that being said, let's go decorate with love. Create a little romantic ambiance over here on my dresser top with this scarf. It's the sash, table sash. I'm going to place this in my lamp. This side right here. Make sure that it's not touching the light bulb. I'm not trying to catch anything on fire. I just want to create a little bit of ambiance. Okay, so we have done that. Style the top of my dresser top.
I'm going to use my Elements of Style and my Chanel book.
Arrangement. This is a crystal bowl that I spray painted black. This cute little vase that I picked up at Dollar Tree just to add of the black, and I can use this to put my rings or my earrings at night. And my S coaster if I have anything to drink.